what extra benefits does joining Etsy Kings have? So you get 3 private calls with me a week where I don't hold information back and I actually go a lot more in depth into contextual things. Like we'll do like actual proper in-depth stuff, like very like more advanced questions about like just scaling in general, just way more advanced, way more in-depth things. In-person events, so we had one in Barcelona a few weeks back, we have one in London happening. This is hugely beneficial, hugely beneficial, no matter what point you are. You get a 30+ part video course that's updated weekly, goes over everything step by step. You get access to me, access to a call. Obviously, you have an introduction call with me. Every single person inside of Etsy Kings has an introduction call with me for 20 minutes. Ask me any questions they have, like one-on-one. You also get access, obviously, to, if you're really struggling at any point, I will jump on a call with you and I will help you. Obviously, I'll help you in the DMs anyways, but I'm saying like I'll jump on a call with you and help you at any point. It's actually one of the guys, Nikolaj. He's from the Nordic countries, and he was doing like 400 a month. He joined Etsy Kings. He had a bunch of problems, and this was quite a little while ago. But I jumped on a call with him, literally like so quickly. Jumped on a call with him, solved all of his problems. He's done like 4, 5, 6 a month now. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.